1/2 cup cooking oil. 1 teaspoon garlic finely chopped. 1 teaspoon ginger finely chopped. Cook for 1 minute. 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. Cook until translucent. 350 grams boneless chicken, small pieces. Cook on medium flame until color changes. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds. 1 teaspoon oregano and thyme. Mix well. Cook for 1 minute. One chicken cube. 1 cup tomato paste. 1/2 cup pasta water. Cover and cook on low flame for 4 minutes. 1 cup chopped capsicum. 1 cup green onion. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. 3 tablespoons soya sauce. 2 tablespoons Peri Peri sauce. 2 tablespoons vinegar. Mix well. .500 grams pasta boiled. Mix well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes.